Hi, my friend. Welcome to the channel. I am Lina Hanson, and I'm so glad you're joining me today, where we are going to wake up our face and get our skin healthy and glowing with just 5 minutes of face yoga. So let's begin. So I always like to do this after my skincare routine. So my face is washed and I have a bit of toner on my face, but I am going to apply a face oil. So this is Global Face Serum, and this is my absolute favorite face oil that I love using every single day, especially in the morning to sort of get my skin healthy and glowy and vibrant. So I just like to apply it all over my face and my neck area. This is also good to do right before you do any kind of face yoga or face massage because they're making sure that you're not tugging on the skin at all. So just applying a bit of face oil or my favorite moisturizer is really going to be key. Okay, so first we are going to take our fingers and our thumb, and I'm gently going to kind of pinch my skin like this. But what's really important, you don't want to pull the skin, so you're just kind of pressing into the skin and you're doing a little twist at the end. And what I love about this, especially doing this in the morning, is that it just really wakes up the skin, gets my skin really nice and glowy, and kind of increasing that blood circulation to kind of get some fresh nutrients and oxygen to the skin. Remember to breathe, take a nice deep breath. This is really a moment for you to take care of yourself and feel good. And do a little bit on the forehead as well. Wonderful. See, you can see already my skin is looking a little bit more rosy, a little bit more glowy. It makes such a big difference. Okay, so the next exercise we're going to do is we are going to puff out our cheeks like this. And I like to place my fingers on top here because when I do this, I tend to get these little lines here. And in face yoga, we want to keep things very smooth. We don't want to create more lines. So if you are doing this and you get lines here, place your fingers here to kind of smoothen and top this area. So it looks like this. Now you're going to puff out your cheeks from side to side like this. And what this is going to do is really going to help plump the cheeks and really get some blood circulation going and really kind of tone and kind of plump this whole area. So this is what it looks like. Wonderful. We're going to do this one more time and make sure that you're breathing throughout your nose too as you're doing this. Okay. Wonderful. You can feel the vibration here and your cheek area after doing this. And this is just like really getting that blood circulation going again, kind of helping to plump the cheek area. Okay, so next we're going to take the tops of our fingers and I'm going to gently just pat and tap all around here from one side to the other underneath the chin area. And this is going to help tone and lift this chin area right here, firming this whole area. Remember to breathe. wonderful. So I would love to know, how did this ritual feel for you? This is just 5 minutes of taking some time to really connect with yourself again, doing a couple of these amazing exercises that's really going to make a difference. And I definitely feel like my skin is looking a little bit more glowy and vibrant and awake, which is so key in the morning. So thank you so much for joining me. And if you like this video, you might like my little longer face yoga tutorial here, where we go deeper into different muscles and lifting and toning. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.